Good afternoon. We are on our way to Egmont Key for the weekend, Sarasota. The floaties are there, taking the boat out. It's been a hectic day.
Oh yeah.
It's been crazy, right?
Yeah.
Had to wake up, get a haircut, get this new spare mounted, air up all the tires, pack, hopefully not forget anything. Went to use the GoPro. I don't use it much. I don't vlog often or ever, and one of the batteries are bad. So thankfully I have extra batteries, and here we are.
Hi.
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 You guys ready? Open this.
Where is it?
So we just got back to the Airbnb, or got to the Airbnb
No, not the
in
big one. My other
Bradenton.
one.
Oh, nice. It's a nice little area.
Probably inside.
Nice U-shaped driveway. Makes it real simple. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You like the place?
Yeah. I for a second I thought it was not that cool, but as soon as I got back in there, what do you think is not?
Whoa, right?
Whoa.
Cool stuff, dude.
What do you mean it's not cool? It's beautiful.
Clip one in, yeah, I got you in a second.
It's right there.
Let's go really slow. Oh, maybe we can.
Yeah. There's literally nothing we can do about it. Oh my god. It's fine now. We're good. We're good.
Lord have mercy.
My heart. Oh man. Wow.
At least it wasn't the motor, because that's what I thought at first. Like, oh no. Yeah, you'll take that.
Yeah, right? In there, but damn.
All right, so we have unloaded at the ramp, and apparently this ramp, you just scrape the bottom of your trailer.
It's a normal thing.
That was not a good sound, and it scared the hell out of me.
It stripped the heck out of that concrete.
Yeah, but there's all screens there.
That's crazy, man. Not really.
No.
I do it sometimes, but. What up?
How we doing? You guys are going
You do. That's like a manual power pole.